Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Olympia Fields, local and long-distance movers near me. We make it easier to move a long distance with the right following options, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. When it's time to relocate a few states over or all the way across the country, let us help. Our professional movers will help ensure you get the right services you need. Whether it's a 100-mile move or a 1,000-mile move, we're ready to help you. Choosing the right Illinois moving company will provide you with the right help you need. Even though a local move is a short distance, it's still a big job. Think about all the things you own and everything you have to be moved. And do you want to do the packing and unpacking and heavy lifting as well? Allow 3 movers to do all this work for you. We can even help make sure you get settled in faster with more time and energy. A move that would take you all week to complete, we can get it done in 1 day or less. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Olympia Fields moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.